The problem with most relationships today is that we make it more about the person than the process. If we make it about the process and trust the process will let us know if that's the person. Let's talk about it. Hey, it's your man, Doc Love, aka the Breakup Coach, your relationship speaker and your relationship education advocate, back with another relationship tip. Now, today we're going to talk about the process. And the first thing we want to talk about is why it's important to put the process before the person. One of the reasons why is because if you make it about the person over the process, then you make it more about the individual that you're dating. When you do that, oftentimes you're going to make the process secondary. And if you make the process secondary, oftentimes you may not take the time to go through the proper steps of knowing, okay, is this the best person for me? Does everything weigh out like I needed to weigh out so that I'm actually dating someone that fits what is perfect and best for me? If we make it about the person, then oftentimes if something happens in a relationship, then it's about the person. And now we're blaming the person, or we're making it all about what that person did or didn't do. If we make it about the process first, then it's about the process of taking the time, knowing that we are doing the process or going through the system that's going to allow us to see if this is the person or not. That way you're putting more of the emphasis of whether this works out or not on the process, not the person. This is important because if we make it about the process, oftentimes the process will never fail us. If we have a system that we know we have our checks and balances with, and it's going to give us the best result if we use it, then we know it's not about the person. It's just about whether this person is best for me or not. Sometimes you may find that that person may not want to go through the process with you, and that's okay. Then you know that wasn't the best person for you at this time. Maybe you don't want to go through the process with this person. Maybe you've seen enough red flags or things of that nature to say, this is enough for me. I've seen enough of this process and we've gone through enough of it for me to know and understand that this is not the person for me. Ultimately, it's about trusting that process, putting together a system or a process that works for you, and now making that the thing that you put in front of the person. That way you take your time, you go through the process, and you let the process determine whether this is the person or not. Because trust me, in the end, the process is going to determine if this person is best for you.